Okay, want to say that your video's been helping me, and 4 of my closest friends died a few years ago.
No, I was not. No, somebody said L. Reader.
Why and Wuke?
I swear to God.
My professional dream of becoming a race car pilot. Let me start by telling why car pilot is great.
I'm terrified of clowns, man. You having a good time, man?
Why your dad? Is he your superhero?
Yes.
It's hard for me because my grandma just passed. It's hard for my family. It's hard for my grandfather because he's facing charges now because he's... Thank you.